Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to see how to bypass the problem of Ubuntu not log into your account. When you try to log in, what it does, it just switches itself off and show you a blank screen, but the box is gonna be still running. The computer is gonna be running, but you won't see anything on your screen. So what we're doing now, we're switching on our computer, so we're gonna try to see how to bypass that. So when we are here, and let's wait for the login screen to come. Okay, so what we get, this Ubuntu is a little bit slow, the new Ubuntu. So this computer is a fast computer, but you can see Ubuntu is slow by itself, because I also tried to install it on a different computer. It could not even run well. So when you click here, you can see this in the corner here, that when you click on it, you see the default. Once you log in using this, it won't work. Let me try for you and I show you. I'm gonna log in and say okay. I put in the password and I'm gonna hit enter. When I hit enter, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see a blank screen and the machine is gonna be running, but it won't work. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch off the machine completely, then I'm gonna switch it back on, then I show you what to do. You switch on your machine, it's off now. I'm gonna switch it on. Yes, I on the machine again. It's totally completely down. Let me switch it on. Yes, machine is back. I've turned on the machine. It's taking a little bit longer, but it's gonna be on immediately after a few seconds. You can see now it's on. What you do, you click on that, then you come here, you choose Ubuntu on Wayland. So once you choose that and you put in your password, it's gonna work perfectly. You say okay, then hit your enter. You see it won't switch off like the way it did. So also you might find a problem. You can see you're gonna enjoy your Ubuntu 20.04. So what I want to say also, if you try to install this Ubuntu, sometimes it might not work in your machine. Even if you change the hard drive, it's gonna complain about the hardware. What you do, take out the hard drive, go to another machine, install Ubuntu on that, bring the hard drive, insert it in this new, in the computer I want to use. Then after that, everything's gonna be fine. That's the trick I did, and also to choose Ubuntu well learned. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. And if you have something to say or to comment about, you can comment. And also don't forget to share our content on Facebook, Twitter, and everywhere you can share. Thanks for watching.